Hi, my name is Sofie Roux. I'm 20 years old and I study architecture at Stanford. I'm the founder and CEO of BloomBox Design Labs, which is bringing high-quality solar-powered STEAM education to every student. I'm passionate about girls' access to education because I believe that if girls have the tools they need to address the challenges that they care about most, the whole world will benefit from this fulfillment of potential. I've gone to spend the last 15 years working in Africa on girls' education projects, and over the past 5 years, leading my company, we've brought a design thinking approach to designing and scaling solar-powered computer labs out of repurposed shipping containers. I built the first BloomBox in my backyard when I was 15. I asked everyone I knew for help. It was the first time I ever worked construction, and we built a lab in Vancouver that we shipped across the world to Malawi. There, it runs to this day as a solar-powered computer lab and is transforming the educational opportunities of the students that it serves. We've seen test scores go up and more students going to college than ever in the school's history. We also got approached during that deployment by the Malawi Ministry of Education. The Malawi government is now an official partner and has asked us to scale this project to 70 schools across the country in the next 5 years, which would affect the education of 200,000 students. I'm so excited, but it means that we need to figure out a way to be financially sustainable at scale. I designed a solar-powered retractable roof system that sits on the 4-point load distribution of a standard shipping container and provides 3,000 watts of reliable, renewable power. That roof system is now on our three more labs that we built in rural, remote, and refugee camp settings. These roofs are transportable, mobile, secure, and they have weathered natural disasters. So we're now selling this roof system as a disaster relief solution in the commercial U.S. market to offset the cost of production in South Africa. Since that first build, we've moved all production to between South Africa and Malawi, and so we've begun to see the economies of scale and also the benefits of manufacturing locally. Some of my first volunteers during that first build are now core team members, and our team spans Vancouver, California to South Africa and Malawi. It's the privilege of my life to lead this team, and it's what I want to do for the rest of my life. We've also connected all BloomBoxes to the internet through Starlink satellite internet, and our global education network called Super Bloom, which we just launched this past year, which is kind of like the TikTok of education, to connect students in Malawi at BloomBoxes to other students around the world that are interested in similar topics. I'm so excited because we're at this inflection point where we've begun to see that this work has legs and is growing at scales I couldn't begin to imagine when I started in high school. I want every kid to learn in the best classroom in the world, and I think we're onto something here. So I'm going to work hard, and our team's going to work hard every day to make it happen. Thank you so much for considering my application.